predict that in the near future we will have ability to travel to Mars.
Okay.
I think that
And
by the
well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. And what do you think will happen in the near future?
mm, in near future maybe we can be little bit more advanced. We will become more advanced and we can travel to other March. I like that March. Other planets or say March. Many people means by the our technology is mostly working to travel towards March. Travel a human Mars.
Okay. The ability in the near future, we might be able to go to different planets.
Yes,
Mars specific. You want to say Mars?
yes, Mars.
Oh, okay, good. All right. Read example number 2.
I think by the year 2060, human will have visit, visit the Mars. Visit
Visited
Mars.
visited
Visited
Mars.
the Mars.
Well, there's no
Visited
the there, so
Mars.
let okay.
Visited
All right.
Mars.
All right, the last time you said it correctly. All right, and I think by 2060 there will be driverless trucks. I think the
Yes.
trucks. What do you think? By the year 2060, what do you think will happen?
Maybe in Mars there would be many humans who have gone already. Many humans in
Okay, so
Mars.
not
I like
just one, but many. Okay, all
yes.
right. Okay, and
That
then
time
let's
many
read.
people. Yeah, like in March there would be some houses also maybe. Maybe
Okay,
some
all right.
small houses.
Okay. And please read number 3.
I believe in that in the year 2100, human
Well,
will
that says that's
will
gonna say okay, all right. We can say okay. Do you want to say 2,100? Okay,
yes 2100. I believe that in the year 2100, human will be living on Mars. Mars.
okay, all
Mars.
right.
Mars.
So different ways of talking about in the future. Let's. I want you to repeat after me. In the near future,
In the near future,
by the year 2060.
by the year 2060,
In the year 2,100.
in the year 2100.
Okay, all right. Different ways of talking about the future. Okay. Oh, these are some fancy words. Can you read that? Physicist Stephen Hawking
Physicist Stephen Hawking had expressed the
concerns.
concerns,
Concerns.
concerns about the possibility that AI could develop to the point that human could not control is achieved. Hacking started that the development of full artificial intelligence could spell, spell
Spell.
the end of the human race. Do you
Mm.
believe that artificial intelligence possible threat to the humans? If so, how when might this happen? Can you tell me
Okay,
your
so do
question?
you think robots can be dangerous?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
If
When do you
they
think they will? Yeah.
if there would be many robots, like we can say, not more than human, but we can say absolutely equal to humans. There would be many robots. Then they will attack human. I think because they will create their own world. Started to create if we put them in our mind. put them a real mind that will help them to work work by their own. That will, if we give them that
Ah,
ability that they can work by their own, and like they don't need any human computer support or anything support, then they will started to think why they would work with them, why they would obey the human. Then they will think, and then they will maybe attack human.
oh, so
I don't want.
we're gonna have to be careful. All right.
Yes, it's a
Okay.
bad.
And then here,
You.
Elon Musk, a very famous person. All right,
Yes,
then he's got some new thoughts about some new
Elon
things in
Musk.
addition to going to Mars. All right, but with that, we're
Elon.
in our final seconds. So good
Okay.
job practicing your English. Good to see you again. Have a good
Okay.
night.
Bye.
See
Nice to
you
meet
next
you. We have
time.
not much
Bye
time left.
bye.
Bye.